When you're ready to choose a KitchenAid stand mixer, the biggest question is, how much do you want to make? The classic stand mixer gives you everything you need to start your creative journey. Choose the 4.5-quart classic stand mixer to bake 8 dozen cookies, or upgrade to the powerful Artisan Series and its 5-quart bowl to make 9 dozen. Or if you're making with a crowd in mind, you can go big with a high-capacity bowl lift stand mixer. Boasting a standard 6-quart bowl, a broad base for added stability, and a high-powered motor, the bowl lift is for those who want to make more. More pasta, more bread, more frosting, you name it, this mixer makes more of it. The ProLine stand mixer combines professional-style mixing power with a high-capacity 7-quart bowl, allowing you to make to your heart's content. Its stable, wide-base design allows for bigger batches, letting the powerful motor take on the toughest baking jobs. Clear your countertops with an Artisan mini stand mixer. This mixer's 3.5-quart bowl is perfect for 1 to 2 people or makers who like to do their experimenting in small batches. No matter how much you want to make, KitchenAid has a mixer for every maker. Find yours today at KitchenAid.com.